14th December 2020. Today, I woke up in an old but beautiful village called Deohari. The village is one of the many little settlements hidden away in the Sainj valley. I arrived here late last evening, so I could not see much on my way to my homestay. So today, as soon as the sun was up and bright outside, I had a quick breakfast and took a walk through the village to experience this hidden treasure. Although Deohari is quite close to Manali, it is still hidden from the tourist eye. Maybe this is the reason why the villagers still lead the old ways of life and the houses here are still witnesses to this lifestyle. In the center of the village is a magnificent temple that boasts the same old architecture of these mountains. While following the twisted narrow lanes of the village, I found a few nooks and crannies that provided some of the most breathtaking views of the emerald green forest all around, or the higher mountains speaking through with pride. Walking around the villages I am visiting has become a part of my daily routine. This routine has made me realize that once you start exploring your surroundings, you will be amazed by the new things nature has in store for you in every little corner. December 18th, 2020. Last evening, while returning from my usual walks around the neighboring villages, I felt the weather around me change. Thick clouds were flowing in and the temperature was dropping pretty quickly. This gave me the indication that winter is coming. Today morning, when I woke up and removed the curtains of my window, I was surprised beyond words. The entire valley was covered in thick snow. Suddenly, the chill in the air became almost unbearable and it started snowing heavily. Watching our first snowfall is like falling in love for the first time, something you cannot express in words. I felt there was a magic all around me, due to which, although I was cold to the bone, I stayed glued to my spot in my balcony, wanting the snowfall to never end. Snow is like kindness. Whatever it touches becomes beautiful. But now it was time to move on from this place. So I pushed through the thick snow on the roads for another destination, for another experience.
I was cold, I was bold, I had fragmented my soul into pieces contradicting themselves. Perhaps it is, as it is, how the world is the mess, means that every heart and soul needs to be whole. How are you? Are you blue? I can sense a sadness in you. Don't you worry, every storm passes on.